Don't get me wrong, frameworks are awesome, but I do question their usefulness. For some programmers, they are very useful and make life easier. For others, they are actually a hindrance. For example, what if you were using a framework and within that framework there was some technicality, and obviously you're using the framework, you don't have control over the processes. And what if they were unable to resolve that technicality and then your web application was built upon the framework? What happens then? So that's just one example, especially if you need to use the framework in future in order to scale your application. So one has to look at that. You have to look at it from both sides. Sometimes it helps to use a framework to scale quickly, but then again, long term, it could be detrimental to your growth. So relying on a third party, I don't think is a really great long-term solution. Sometimes it's just better to wait and learn everything from scratch and know exactly what you're doing. Recently, I came across a popular programmer and YouTuber, Indian programmer on YouTube, and he built a Spotify clone, Spotify clone, using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that was very impressive. I think if I'm not mistaken, I forgot his name, but he's got around about 3.5 million subscribers. So yeah, he's doing very, very well for himself, and yeah, I believe he's doing things the right way, showing people how to build everything from scratch, and that's how it should be. I'm not trying to play down frameworks. I believe they still have some use cases, but I just from my end, I just believe that it's up to the programmer to decide what's best for them or for a particular organization.